there's precious little sign of anticipation on the face of farmer Tambirasa Karunimut.
We've lost everything. We've now got to start again in a barren land, with no money, no possessions, nothing. We don't know what we're going to do.
The Geneva Conventions to which your government is bound are quite clear. Hospitals must be protected unless they are used to commit hostile acts outside of humanitarian funding. And even then, a clear warning and a deadline must be given. There are instances, I have read report after report from international agencies, from the United Nations, and from the ICRC, which all suggest that you did not meet those very basic rules of war.
We have gone beyond the basics. We imposed restrictions on use of heavy weapons, airstrikes. Nowhere in the world anybody has done this. These are self-imposed.
At Elephant Pass, the gateway to the Jaffna Peninsula, the Sri Lankan army unveils a monument to the thousands of soldiers killed fighting the Tamil Tigers. Much blood has been spilled on this land over the last 30 years. The fighting is over, but the resentment lingers.
Stephen Sacker reporting from Sri Lanka. It is 11 minutes to 9. A very large part of the world will go bonkers in 5 days' time. That, and you don't need to point this out, is when the World Cup actually starts. Some of the stuff I think has already been going on for years. Why do so many otherwise intelligent people get so excited about sport? And why has it become so big? Tim Delisle, the editor of The Economist's Intelligence Life Quarterly, and Julian Norwich has written a book about it. Can we have our balls back? Tim Delisle, what you were interested in is why, how it has come to dominate, I was going to say our lives, some of our lives. I suppose all of them in a sense.
It seems to make more and more noise with each major event, each Olympics and each World Cup. And I went back and traced where this came from and how it started. What was striking is that when England won the World Cup in 1966, which is the biggest sporting event in British history, the biggest crown, the public was actually quite restrained. The tabloids on the Monday morning, 6 hours later, the Daily Mirror led with the news that Princess Alexandra had had a second child.
Times have changed.
Whereas on Saturday...
Well, if they get through the first round now, if they score 1 goal...
Well, even before that, Rio Ferdinand's injury, which happened on Friday, was the lead story in The Sun on Saturday. It was the biggest news in the world for them and their readers.
So what's happened?
Bizarre. And I think it has got a bit out of hand. I think probably it was too restrained in 1966. In those days, the Times only had 2 sports pages, and it moved them around inside the paper according to where there was a bit of space, somewhere near the court circuit.
And of course that victory in 66 is, I think it's probably the last football match I watched all the way through, was
You chose a good one.
Well, exactly, yeah, very discriminating. We're waiting for that. That was about beating the Germans in World War, and all that stuff. It wasn't to do with sport.
I imagine there was, well, I was only 4, but I imagine there was quite a big factor there, yes, to pay back.
Yeah,
wasn't it?
Absolutely. Now, Julian, your book, Can We Have a Ball Back? You're saying the British invented sport, really?
Yes, pretty well, definitely. Nearly all the major sports were invented by the British, or at least codified by the British. Many of them existed in sort of local form all over the world, but it was the British who actually set down the rules, which meant that those sports could be played between clubs, between countries.
Yeah, and
absolutely, definitely is an English invention.
And how do you explain the question that Tim has posed, the dominance that sport now seems to have?
I think it's more a question, I think the demand has always been there. What's changed is the means of supplying that demand, and principally, I think, recently, it's television. Television has made sport so much more accessible to so many more people, and it's brought a huge amount of money into sport. And that money has attracted sport owners, it's attracted competition, and because it's attracted, it's built the demand, built the interest in sport. But the demand was always there. 120,000 people watched the FA Cup in 1913.
So it's marketing, Tim?
Well, it's certainly very true about the money, but with television, there's mixed evidence, actually. The number of people who tend to watch an England match in the World Cup